The sound of the stitch. They say fashion is what you wear, but it's actually what you hear.
Rhythm is the architecture of the silhouette.
Before a designer draws a line, find a beat.
Actually, the Crocs I'm wearing belongs to Luke.
In the 1920s, it was jazz that shortened the hemlines. In the 70s, punk tore them apart.
Music doesn't just accompany the clothes. It dictates them.
A leather jacket isn't just skin and zippers. It's just the spirit of rock and roll, and you can feel against your own. Fashion is the visual, music in the soul. When they meet, you don't just see an outfit, you feel a movement. The art of fashion. What's your soundtrack?